In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a custom domain email address for your Shopify store. This process is a fantastic way to bolster your brand's professionalism and enhance customer trust by aligning your email communications with your store's unique domain. Whether you're stepping into the world of e-commerce for the first time or looking to refine your existing Shopify setup, establishing a custom domain email can elevate your business presence significantly. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. Once there, you'll want to navigate to the main screen. The Home tab is your starting point. Here you get a good overview of your store activity, but for our purposes today, we'll be heading straight to the settings. Click on the Domains option. This is your command center for managing domain settings, and it's where we'll manage how your domain interacts with Shopify. You might have several domains linked here, or perhaps this is your first time visiting this page. Regardless, this next step is crucial. When you're on the Domains page, look for the Connect Existing Domain button. This is typically what you'll need to select if you're bringing in a domain you've acquired from another service or host. By clicking this, you initiate the process to link your custom domain with your Shopify store. Next, you'll be prompted to type in your URL domain. This is the unique web address you've purchased, like yourstore.com. Carefully enter your domain's information into the provided field. It's important to get every character right since any typo could prevent a proper connection. Double-check the spelling and format before you proceed. With your domain correctly entered, proceed by clicking on Next. At this stage, Shopify will begin to verify the details you've input. Typically, Shopify will provide a set of DNS settings that you'll need to input wherever your domain is hosted. This might involve a bit of back and forth between your Shopify panel and your domain provider's dashboard. Don't worry if this part seems complex. Each DNS provider usually offers guidance on how to make these adjustments. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate fully, so be patient after making these changes. During this time, continue to monitor your store's performance to ensure everything else remains operational. Establishing a custom domain email address isn't just about appearance. It empowers better inbox deliverability for your promotional emails and helps maintain consistent branding across your communications. I hope this guide simplifies the process and helps you enhance your online store performance. If you have any questions or run into issues, Shopify's support or the community forums can be fantastic resources. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.